I'm so excited. All right, guys. So we're back in the Patchy backyard. This time I went to Walmart because they had sale on red mulch. So I got 2 bags of red mulch. I have borders and a spotlight. I'm extra. So I got these little borders for this section right here. These were $5. And then I got red mulch because I'm starting from that tree all the way down because I'm going to make them pretty. So I got 2 bags of red mulch, $1.97. I paid $4 at Lowe's. I'm mad. And then I got these papers. So let's get to work. Good morning. It's a new day in the Albornoz household. We have Maddie over there beating up the eggs for their breakfast. It's 7 o'clock. We've been up since 3:30. Been to the gym at 4. Got our workout in. Went to Walmart to pick up some more of those bricks that I showed you a few days ago for the trees. To finish off the trees. Jason is over here cutting up leftover steak that we had yesterday because we had his mom and his aunt over for lunch, and that was really nice to, have them in our home as guests. And then we have Destiny over there just doing nothing. She was supposed to be beating the egg, but she ran out of the kitchen by her little sister. But I'm trying to tell her that when she was Maddie's age, she wanted to do the same thing. So don't feel like, she's trying to, take over from her or whatever. But I'm just saying, so much goes on when you have kids in different stages of life, because for a long time Destiny reigned as the princess in this house, and now that she has a little sister competing with her for the spotlight, I don't really think she likes not being. Let me fix my hair. But of course, it's Sunday in our household. Rob is doing what he does best, making the kiddos food. I'm about to go. We have to empty out the bricks from out of the truck into the wheelbarrow into the backyard so that we can finish that little project back there. And I think that's all we have. My arms are coming. I'm starting to see definitions in my arms. And I am so super proud. I've lost what? How much pounds have I lost since you guys last saw me? I want to say last time you guys saw me, I was 211 pounds. I am now down to, this morning, after I had my little thing, I was down to 190.6. So what is that, 21 pounds? Yeah. Don't even. Please don't.
Sorry.
Please don't even look at me. The other kiddos, not Jason. Jason is right here. Jordan and Jackson. Sorry, I don't mean to hit your butt. I'm so sorry. That's so inappropriate. Jordan and Jackson are still asleep. And I am having a bang. Because I am doing lazy keto. And these are so good. I love the pina colada. Really good. There's a few flavors that I don't like that I've tried. Like, I don't like the birthday cake, and I also don't like there's another one that I don't like. But so far, all the other ones that I've tried seem to be like a hit. I made Rob coffee this morning. It's somewhere over here. His mug of choice is "We are blessed. We are blessed. We are blessed." No. We went to church yesterday for the first time in over a year. Like, we went in person for the first time in over a year plus. It was so good to be back, you know, in the house of the Lord. Hey, Mama. Look at them tear stains because she was crying.
Because she wanted to. Yeah, she was making.
See my stretch marks? I earned these, okay? And these are my Lulus. Hottie Hot. I got it on sale. I love you.
I love you.
I know you do. My sweet girl. You can tell. You can always tell when Rob's home. He always opened my front window. Which now that everyone's moved out and moved on with their life, I don't mind opening my house because I don't know about no one around here anymore. So, you know, except for the one, but you never see her anymore. So, anyway, I have a few. I don't know, but let me tell you this. Whether you like or dislike my video, it don't matter. You're still contributing to my analytics. Like, it don't matter what you do, whether you like or dislike, and whether your views and your interaction on my videos, no matter whether or not they're negative, are still helpful. So it don't matter to me. Like, I mean, it does matter, but at the same time. Good morning, Jordan. Jackson was somewhere around here. Where'd he go? Jack. Anyways. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, Jackson.
So anyways, thank you so much for your interaction on my video, whether that be positive or negative. I really do appreciate you being here. So yeah, about that. Moving on. We're not doing anything special today, so welcome to the Albornoz household on a Sunday. I'll see y'all in a little bit.
You found an Easter egg?
You found an Easter egg where?
Right there.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Right here.
How'd you find that?
Huh. I went over here and I saw it.
You saw it?
Yeah.
From all the way over there?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you got really good vision. You got 20/20 vision. That's good to know.
And I opened it and ate it.
You're gonna open it and eat it?
There's no one.
It's no one's? How you know it's no one's?
Yeah, that's me.
Mine.
Cause Easter came?
Yeah.
What? Really? We're July. We're in July. You ever heard of Easter in July?
Some people do, okay.
Really?
Mommy, yesterday we had a bunny.
A bunny?
A big bunny and a small baby. I have a big bunny
Uh-huh.
and a small bunny. Like chased me at school and I have it over there.
Oh, really? Aww. That is so sweet. Your vocabulary is getting so good. I am so proud of your progress. Can you tell the Sunshines that you're going to pre-K this year?
Yay!
Yay! Are you excited for school?
No.
Wait, I'm not okay?
Not today.
She literally just
3 weeks.
and we're going to school.
You go back to school in 3 weeks. So you have to have all the fun in the pool. All the fun in the pool, okay? You have to enjoy your summer. Huh? Yeah, you have to enjoy your summer. I love you. Want to do your affirmation?
Huh?
You want to do your affirmation?
Yeah.
I am beautiful.
I am beautiful.
I am powerful.
I am powerful.
I love you, Madison.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, baby girl.
I think that's my mom.
Huh? My ears are, they're back. Don't say that to your mom. That's my mom, too.
Competition. Oh Lord, the dog is freaking out. What is it? Abuela?
What's abuela?
What's abuela?
About the rain.
Hmm?
Huh?
What is abuela?
When you don't hide and rain.
When it's gonna rain?
Yeah.
Abuela is...
It means grandma.
Abuela means grandma.
So when it's gonna rain.
Jason is becoming... He's not becoming. He is the house chef. He is the seasoner of all the meats. He makes meat taste amazing. If you want to know all his secrets, comment down below. And he will, I will do a video and he will tell you guys all his secret. Right, JJ?
Yeah.
He said maybe, but I promise you, he will. Okay, guys, so I just got back from the Caribbean store. So I picked up a spice bun, chicken feet for a dish that I'm making later. I have some butter beans for my oxtail this week. I have coconut milk for my stewpies. Rob got some black beans. I got ackee, because we're having ackee, oxtail, fish, and goat this week. Got some more black beans. Another coconut milk. Maddie saw this and grabbed it. Rob likes to try out the Spurtree hot sauce. So this is the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, pineapple. And then he got the crushed Scotch bonnet pepper. They're really good. And then I picked up the seasoned up jerk. This is the Maggie. Anything Maggie is really good. Maddie, I'm speaking. Hold on. I got some red kidney beans for my stewpies tonight. I got some codfish for bone salted. Oh, these are filet. Oh, okay. I was like, it scared me because I don't like the bones inside. So this is the codfish for the ackee and saltfish that I'm gonna make. I got some scallion. I got 2 mangoes. I already had one, and I did the hack where you cut it in half and twist it and eat it. It's so good, so much faster. I got 3 things of goat. I wanted to get the smoked one, but they didn't have any. I got a can of cheese, and that guy's expensive. For all of this little stuff right here, I paid $200. Don't ask me why. But I got the seasoned up fish. This alone was like $10.99, and this one too. So this is like $20-something worth of seasoning, but it's really good. I got the all-purpose, and I also picked up ackee now seasoning. I don't know what that's about, but... And then I picked up another one of ackee, and then we were out of oxtail seasoning, so I just picked some up. And then I have the fish, and then I have oxtail from Walmart that I picked up. That's gonna be for today and Wednesday's dinner. So, ooh, that stinks. Anyways, I'm gonna put this stuff away and clean off my counter. Okay, so we're back home. Told you that, right? Drinking another bang. This is Blue Raz. And I am cooking dinner. So I have my oxtail and peas in here because I'm doing stew peas in here. And then I'm adding chicken feet or fingers. That's what they call them, chicken fingers. I'm adding that to it after it's cooked. So I'm working on dinner. I don't know why on Sundays now I'm cooking, but I feel like it's just a tradition. Because that's what I'm used to in Jamaica. Oh, these are so good. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. Hold on, okay. So, oh, stay on my stomach. Can't believe that I had 5 babies. It's getting flat. Of course, I have the C-section little pouch. This down here, right here. I have that, and I got 4. Whatever. But I have this. Rob said he'll pay for a tummy tuck, but I'm scared. I'm scared to go under the knife. It's good. It's really good. Oh my gosh, this is good. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. I really like that.